What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all having a great Sunday, and welcome back to an update on the Gala token. What we'll do in this video is we'll talk a little bit about Gala fundamentally as a project, because there were some questions about that last time around, and also in the Discord server of Cilinix Crypto. That's also the main reason why I'm making this video. It was requested, so you ask and you shall receive, obviously. But what we'll mainly do is we'll take a look at the technicals. So the technicals for Gala right now are pretty interesting. There are some very bullish elements. And we'll talk about whether those bullish elements can actually do something, so that we can actually go up even more than what we have done, or whether it's more likely that we'll continue this prediction. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I wanted to do with the Gala token, and obviously right now it has been pretty quiet. That's mainly because it's just the weekend. Volume, I gotta be honest, volume is actually still okay for Gala. It's at 33 million, but compared to the market cap, that's actually pretty decent. It has dropped down significantly, but that only said something about the volume previously, that it was very high. And some of you had the question last time I covered Gala if it was actually still a good investment, because people were starting to lose hope after it has been dropping, obviously, for a very long time. But what people don't know is that, and I was there when Gala first came on Coinbase, for example. That was right here. And back then, I mean, you can see that we reached a market cap with Gala of $5 billion. All right, we reached a 5 billion market cap, and I still remember what the project looked like then. They had like one app, they had like one game on their entire platform. And look at them now. They have amazing games and way more in development. And I actually think that Gala Games is doing amazing. And I think it's one of the cryptos, one of the few cryptos in the top 100 that will actually get back to their all-time highs. So that would be 75 cents. Well, it would be a pretty good gain. Even though, obviously I know that there's inflation in the supply, but that doesn't matter to me. I still think we can get to a very nice valuation with the Gala Games, because I think they have actually developed a very great project, and that the Gala token will profit from that. But that's just my take on Gala. If you take a look at the technicals, what you can see is that last time around when we hit these highs, what I said is that it was probably more likely that we would start dropping back down towards our support level around 2.5 cents, which is an amazing support level. It's a psychological support level, but you can also see that it's a very strong upper bound of this entire key level. From there, I thought we would go up, which we have done, and then afterwards we would drop. You could argue that right now we're in that drop, but I'm actually not too sure about that anymore. That's why I wanted to make this update, because what you can see for Gala, and that actually lines up perfectly with the fundamentals of the market as well. What you can see is that there's some bullish momentum you can see. And then we're also making arguably two higher highs. I mean, I cannot really say that without laughing. It's not really a higher high. But you can see some more bullish momentum. Altogether, I would still argue that even though, sure, we are making higher lows, it's still more of a consolidation. So it's still more something like this, that we are consolidating in this area. But it's interesting to see. And basically, the thing is that for the entire market, I'm actually expecting some more bullish momentum coming in either tonight or tomorrow morning. So that would line up perfectly for Gala with this bullish momentum we have, and this and the support level around, let's say, 2.53 cents. So I think there's actually a possibility and an opportunity for Gala Games to find support there. And then when we get the bullish momentum from the market, which I actually do expect a lot, that we can break over 2.6 cents again, which is a resistance level, break above 2.6 cents and head up towards 2.7 cents. Now, I don't think we'll be able to break through 2.7 cents easily. All right, I think when we get there, we'll actually find resistance there, and we can only break through that if we can actually stay on top of 2.6 for a little bit longer afterwards. All right, so something like this is the best thing that's possible in my opinion, but I do think actually that this is the most likely scenario at this point of time. Now, there's one thing you should know though, as I said, excuse me, as I said, that there is some sort of a bullish momentum we can see for Gala Games, but we must confirm it. So the confirmation in this case would be finding support at 2.53 cents and getting that breakout above 2.6 cents. All right, even though I expect there to be bullish momentum in the market, that doesn't 100% mean that Gala Games has to do that as well. So if we do not confirm it, so I do think we'll find support here, but if we don't break above 2.6 cents from that support today or tomorrow morning, we will just drop back down to 2.5 and 2.45 cents. And stay in this consolidation, ultimately. I do think we will hold that and get back up, but obviously it would be way less good than something like this. So it's going to be a pretty important day for Gala. I actually think, but I'm pretty positive, I actually think this is the most likely scenario, but as I said, we just need to see that confirmation. Break above 2.6 cents, that would be enough confirmation, and then we'll probably continue. And if I mean, next week's going to be a very big fundamental week, but I do think that we can still do something like this with Gala, even with those fundamentals. So that's my take on Gala this Sunday morning. A little bit of a long video, sorry, but for now, take care and bye.